Conveniently move content to a new term by offsetting dates for course objects. This tutorial shows how to offset dates using Manage Dates. You can edit and offset dates for various course objects within Manage Dates. Filter the course objects that display by selecting specific tools in Filter options. In this example, we will select Content. You can also specify advanced filter options, such as name, due date, duration, or calendar status. Click Apply Filter. You can select specific course objects or all course objects. In this example, we will select all. Click Bulk Offset Dates to move the availability of course objects forward or backward by a specified number of days. In the Dates to Offset section, select whether you want to offset the due dates, start dates, or end dates for course objects. Then, select whether you want to offset the dates by direction and range, or by calculating a range between two dates. If you calculate based on two dates, you will be prompted to select a start and end date. The system will calculate the number of days between these selections and move course objects forward or backward based on this calculation. For this example, click Offset by Direction and Range. From the Direction menu, select whether you want to move the course objects forward or backward. Then, you can set the range by entering the number of days and hours you want to offset the dates by. In this example, we will offset the due, start, and end dates for course objects by moving them forward 140 days. When you're ready, click Save. You have offset the dates for the course objects. Conveniently move content to a new term by offsetting dates for course objects.